Last module is Report Modules, PO Report, Purchase Order Report. The Purchase Order Report, PO Report, helps track order statuses and ensures that all required items are ordered and delivered on time. By clicking on a PO number, you can view detailed information, including item details, item name/type, part number. Description, a brief summary of the item's specifications. Quantity, the number of units ordered. Unit of measure, UOM. Price, the cost per unit of the item. GST percent, PNF percent, discount percent, the discount percentage applied to the order. Total value, the final cost after applying unit price, taxes, and discounts. Purchase order summary, the purchase order summary provides a cost breakdown, including subtotal, the total cost before additional charges. GST, discount, deduction applied as per the discount percentage. Packing and forwarding, PNF, charges. Freight charges, the cost of transportation. Additional order details, the report also includes key order information such as payment terms, defines when payment is due, example, 30 days. Delivery method, specifies how the goods will be shipped. Delivery place. Price basis, indicates the pricing calculation method. Default is often set to 0. Transport, details about the transport method used for delivery. Remarks. This report helps in purchase tracking, cost management, and delivery planning, ensuring a smooth procurement process. Branch Office PO Report. This report is similar to the Purchase Order Report, but specifically for branch offices. By clicking on a PO number, users can view details such as item details in a structured table, purchase order summary including subtotal, the total cost before additional charges, GST, P&F, freight charges, covers transportation and packaging costs. The report provides the same details as the purchase order report, but is tailored for branch office purchases. STN Inward Report, Stock Transfer Note Inward Report. This report tracks inward stock transactions, meaning goods received from suppliers or other branches. By clicking on a specific STN number, users can view store issue number, stock transferred date, stock transferred from. Stock type defines whether the stock is inward, received, or outward issued. In this case, it is inward. Shift indicates the working shift during which the stock was transferred. Remarks. The table report provides item-related details and the total value of the transferred stock. STN Outward Report, Stock Transfer Note Outward Report. This report tracks outward stock transactions, meaning goods issued from one branch to another. By clicking on a specific STN number, users can view STN number, date of transfer, to branch/location, transfer date, remarks, items sent details, including item code, description, quantity, etc. STN Requisition Report. This report tracks stock transfer requisitions between branches. Users can select a branch from a drop-down list to view related stock transfer requisitions. The report displays all stock transfer requisitions for the selected branch. Clicking on a specific STN number provides detailed requisition information, including item details. This report helps users track pending and completed requisitions, ensuring smooth stock transfers. Stock Summary Report. This report provides an overall summary of stock levels within the branch. It helps manage inventory by showing current stock levels, stock movements, low stock alerts. By clicking on specific elements, users can view item code displays detailed item information. Next. Closing stock shows available stock per branch. Example, branch code, closing stock, and next. Price provides item cost details. Example, quantity, cost per unit, total price. Transaction history shows stock movements, including voucher type, identifies the type of transaction. Voucher number, reference number for tracking the transaction. Inward quantity and value, stock received and its cost. Outward quantity and value, stock issued and its cost. Purchase requisition report. This report tracks purchase requisitions, ensuring they are approved and processed on time. By clicking on a requisition number, users can view requisition information, requisition number, department, indent reference, requirement basis, example, normal, urgent, emergency, request date, HOD approval, head of department approving the request, head material, category or type of material requested, remarks, prepared by person who created the request, item details, item code, part number, due date, life specification, purpose, description, unit of measure, price, quantity. The last feature is supplier report. This report provides a detailed analysis of suppliers, including their supplied items, performance, and other key metrics. By clicking on a specific supplier, users can view supplier details, supplier name, supplier code, address, contact person, city, tax information, payment terms. This report helps monitor supplier relationships and evaluate supplier performance